Hey, Dr. Fiorini here. What I just showed you just a second ago is people cracking their own necks. Why shouldn't you crack your own neck? My wife gets very upset with me whenever anybody does that out in public. I just almost scream because there's several things. Number one is there's tiny little ligaments in the neck that keep the joints from moving too much. When you crack it, when you move it like that, like you just saw in that video, or the previous part of this video, you are causing some major, or can cause some major damage to those ligaments. And those ligaments protect your spinal cord while your joints are in motion. So the problem is you're damaging those ligaments. The more you do it, the more you damage it, and then as you go throughout your life, you have more and more problems. Now here's the other problem. This here is called the vertebral artery right here. Now these little arteries, this is a picture of the skull from the back of the head, okay? So the back of the head, and the head is tilted forward. So this is the atlas, this is the C2 vertebra, the second vertebra in there, and here is the vertebral artery. It makes 4 right-hand turns in this area, and then goes up into the brainstem and into the back part of the brain. So now, not only are you damaging those ligaments, but you can damage these little arteries up in your neck. Now, if you want to crack your knuckles or something like that, that's up to you. Are you going to develop some osteoarthritis? More than likely. But at least you won't be damaging your nervous system. This is very, very important. And one of the reasons why we practice Atlas Orthogonal Chiropractic in our office, we're not going to be causing any problems up at this area because we're not doing it in that type of a manner. Certainly in the hands of someone who is not trained to do this work, it can be a real bad problem. So don't crack your neck. Don't do it. It's not funny, and it is something that is going to or can possibly cause you a lot of problems in the future. I'm Dr. Dennis Fiorini with Fiorini Chiropractic Center. Hopefully you will stop cracking your neck if you do, and you won't start if you don't yet. Thank you very much. Have a great day.